Here we have the wave shape is bunch of lines on the top left, and we need to state start trim and end trim. We need to know where to start and where to end. Here I have added the wave shape to the screen with line width 3 is still on the top left, because when you're drawing always will be on the top left from 0y 0x. I will add a frame to make it on the center, and I will add a scale effect 1.5 so to scale the shape 50%. I will add one more wave shape inside the Z stack, and inside the trim we have from to. We'll start from here and end over there. On appear, this means when this view appears, we'll run these animations. We'll repeat over and over, and we'll start from here and over there.